This is to demonstrate a few referencings you may need with a term paper. First thing I want to talk about are doing citations. This is working with version 2013. We go onto the References tab. And if you want to do a citation, it goes into different styles. You might want to have to select a different style at the beginning. And you have different ones there. You could say MLA 7th edition. You insert the citation. And you could add a new source. And it could be anything here. It could be a journal article. And then you could put the author. So you could fill things out there and you just say OK. So it gives it there. If you click on it, you can go into there. You can edit the source. You could go into here and edit the citation. And then you could say it was on page 35. You might want to suppress the title. So it will show it there. Next thing I want to talk about are footnotes. Footnotes go at the bottom of the page. An endnote goes at the very end. You've got these two choices over here. So if you're doing a footnote, you say insert footnote. Shows up at the bottom. Make sure it's set up correctly here. What's very cool, we go up here. Let's say we have another footnote here. We're adding another one there. Insert footnote. It will renumber it for you. Now let's say you want to delete a footnote. You click on it. A little tricky to do that. Getting the mouse right on top of it. I right click. Or if I just hit the delete key, highlight it, delete, it's gone. It becomes grayed out. Next thing here, I want to talk about doing page numbering. For example, let's say you're doing, Introduction by Joe Smith. What it is, you want the page numbers to go on subsequent pages, but not the first one. You want the second sheet to be page 1. So to do this, you go on page layout. You're going to go into breaks. You're doing a section page break. So you're down here. If you scroll into here, you want to get into the footer, you double click. It says same as previous. You have to shut that off. So I could just go into here, shut that off, or it says link to previous. So if I want to put the page number in here, page, I click on page number. I could say bottom of page or anything here. What I would say here in this case here is current position. You can use a plain number. You got that there. You now want this to be the first page. Click on it. It's highlighted. Right click. Format page numbers. Say start at 1. Or if you have a problem, you can always change it to 0. You could change the style here. Well, I can make it Roman numerals. So you got page I. You go up here. I'm scrolling here. It's not in there. If you were using a preset one, you had to go into the section 1 and delete it.